Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be installing a Soler Performance electronic throttle controller. My 2021 GMC Yukon. This is a 5.3 liter. I've had these installed before on previous vehicles. I had it on my 2019 Canyon, had it on my 2022 Silverado 2.7. Basically, this is just a throttle booster. It doesn't really add power to the vehicle, but it does make the pedal more sensitive. And Soler's DLX line of throttle controllers is pretty cool. There's a bunch of customizable features. They have an app you can also use in par with this controller. Super easy to install. Here's the module. I'm going to find a spot to mount it somewhere easy to access. And then it comes with a little wire that gets plugged in line on the pedal. And then it comes up and you just, tidy up your wires and whatever. So it's a relatively easy install. Just unplugging the one wire on the pedal, plugging this in line, then fishing your wire up to wherever you're going to mount the controller. That's basically it. So I'm going to walk you through it and show you what needs to be done. So the wire for the pedal is up here, and you can move this piece of felt out of the way and you can get to it on top of the pedal here. There is a locking tab, so you have to disconnect the locking tab and then you can squeeze it and pop it off of the pedal. Then you can plug the Soler controller in line. I'm going to try to show it on film, but it's really tight under here. There's the connector on top of the pedal. Then on this harness from Soler, you're going to take one end, plug it into the factory plug, and take the other plug end of it and go into the pedal. All right, so after you hook up the wires down by the pedal, you can fish the wire up here by the steering column. There's a gap in the panel here. And then, tie back whatever extra wire you don't want. I put mine right here over the card slot holder. I don't really use that thing. So if you don't have the brake controller, this would be a good spot too, right here, because it'd probably be a flat panel. But I didn't really find another good spot. Maybe on the side of the steering column you could do. Whatever you like. I liked it right there, so it's not too much of a wire anyways. So then you can start up the vehicle and you can start playing with the settings. Let's do that now. All right, so I've just gone for a little test drive, played with the settings a little bit. So the way you pair it is you hold these two buttons until 4 numbers come up. Then you go into the app, the Soler app, and you pair it. Follow directions in their little manual that they include. Pretty easy, it connects relatively quickly. Then once it's connected, you can change the modes here by pressing mode. So this is sport, ludicrous, drag, AI, which will learn your driving habits, VL, can't remember what VL is, WT, which is I think wet, EC is economy mode, OEM is just like normal, and then back to comfort, which I think I like comfort in like the 4 to 5 number setting. When I had this on my Silverado 2.7, I was driving in Comfort 7. That truck had a lot of throttle lag with that small turbo motor. This V8 doesn't have as much throttle lag. So it's all personal preference, however you want to set this. You just gotta play around with it, and you can adjust the numbers there using the right and left arrow. Every one of these settings has multiple different levels of the settings, so play with it, see how you like it, and then go from there. Now the app adds another bit of functionality. You can change these on the fly with the app. So if you don't want to mount this, you could keep it all tidied up underneath the dash somewhere, and then you could just control it with your app. Then you never have to see this little controller. I guess that's an option too. Another thing with the app is you can lock the throttle and it won't have any throttle input. So actually you don't even need to use the app to lock the throttle. So right now I have the throttle locked. So I'm pushing on the gas. You can hear, and the throttle is not doing anything, so it's locked. So if you hold this button and then you scroll through by pushing, go to the lock button, then hit one of these, and lock is off. So now we're back to normal. So just another thing you can do to, I don't know if that's a little security feature for you. I'm gonna record some footage on the app so you can see what that looks like. All right, so here is the interface on the app. So these are all the settings on that controller that you saw. Oh, VT, That must have been valet mode. I must have forgot what it was called. So you can set it for a valet. You got weather mode, which is WT, economy, artificial intelligence, which learns your driving habits, drag race, ludicrous mode, which has 9 settings inside of it, sport mode, which is 9 settings inside of it, and then comfort, 9 settings inside of it. I like that comfort for, and then OE, which is just factory throttle input. So over here, there's some settings. This is how you pair it. Over here, you click the little tab, and then you type in the code that pops up when you put the module in pair mode. Settings, you can manually lock, like we talked about, like I just showed you from here. And that's pretty much it for the app. It's pretty basic. It's simple. It works though. It's cool. So like I was saying, you could just control this thing without having to mount the little user interface box here on the dash. You could just hide it underneath the dash and then control it with the app exclusively if you like. So that's pretty much it for today's video. This is the DLX model for this truck. There's the part number SE0530. I'll post a link to it in the video description. Be sure to check out the Soler website. Thanks a lot to the guys at Soler for sending me this to try on my Yukon. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. We'll see you next time. Later.